We have holes in the table.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, I know 3 or 4 people had their roofs replaced from the last hailstorm we had. My boss just had it done last.
I don't think my car's.
I could feel it.
Whose car is this? Barb's?
Yeah.